Hi, Jim Houlihan here. As I said, since it's a lovely winter's afternoon in the west of Ireland, I just said I'd get a little message out to you really quickly. You know, what I say is life is what happens when you make plans. And that's absolutely true. It happened to me a few years ago when the industry I worked in went belly up and virtually everything disappeared. You have to reinvent yourself. So I ended up getting involved with a group of people, excellent community. They were all involved in learning together, in learning affiliate marketing and so on. Affiliate marketing, e-commerce, all that kind of stuff. So I went and I joined up with them, see what they were like for a few months. Got they had a free, excuse the noise, Tractorville here today for some reason. Anyway, they had a free kind of an introduction, a few free videos and so on. So what I'll do, I'll post this video and I'll put it down here for you. Down below there should be a little button or something down there. I'll see if I can arrange that later. And you can pop in, sign up or have a look at what we have and sign up for a few free videos. Give you a great introduction. I mean, a fantastic introduction for somebody who really doesn't know anything, no techie, nothing like that. I mean, I had been a little bit techie being an engineer or whatever, but literally nothing in my engineering past, which was pretty murky anyway, ever applied to this. So it was starting from scratch, complete reinvention, and now things are going along pretty well. So I just wanted to let you know about this in case you've got a situation where either you're mid-career, wondering what to do, wondering how secure your job is and everything. These are all questions we ask ourselves. In my case, my entire retirement plan evaporated overnight, and I just wore down my whatever savings I had over a few years before I did actually get into this affiliate marketing thing. And now I kind of manage my own time. Still not there with my wallet yet, but it's getting there. Things are looking very well, and I'm sure that if you give this a go, have a look at it. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's just straight up, go in there, see what you like, get cracking with it and make it work. So enjoy. It's a great way to get started, great way to secure your future, that for your family and everything. So I'll see you on the inside. Take care. Bye bye.